大家午安，歡迎各位參加今日 Access Communications 所舉辦嘅 Webinar。我係 Peter Chiu， 今日嘅主持人。喺嚟緊呢30分鐘裏邊，除咗有我之外，亦都邀請咗 Headquarters 嘅 Mac Turing 出場。佢稍後會為大家詳細講解，基於人工智能嘅前端分析，點樣可以喺最大嘅程度提升安全性同埋優化整體嘅操作。我哋先嚟睇睇今日嘅 agenda， 大概會分為5個部分。首先，我哋會講解點解分析對客戶嚟講咁重要呢？第二就係究竟乜嘢技術喺 Access 嘅分析方案上邊？第三，邊一類型嘅 Access 嘅分析方案係提供到俾客戶解決佢哋所遇到嘅困難呢？第四就係我哋進入咗分析嘅新世代啦。第五，我哋會有少少時間提供 Q&A。我哋先簡介一下有關 Access Communications。Access Communications 係喺1984年瑞典成立。當時我哋嘅基本業務係生產 Network Print Server。經過12年嘅時間之後，累積咗 Network System 嘅經驗。Access Communications 就喺1996年發明咗全球第一隻 IP Network Camera。之後一直喺市場上面佔據一個舉足輕重嘅地位。30幾年以嚟 ，Access Communications 一直創新領導住 Network Video 同埋 Security 嘅行業，仲推動咗從 Analog CCTV 去到 Network Video 嘅轉變。我相信你哋現有嘅系統都有享受得到。憑藉住領先嘅專業知識同埋行業嘅知識，我哋仲專注喺透過我哋嘅經驗，喺網絡安全甚至可持續性發展上面增加現有系統嘅功能。好啦，事不宜遲，馬上進入 Webinar 嘅第一部分。Access Communications 不斷研發、生產咗好多創新嘅產品同埋獨家專利嘅技術，為我哋全線嘅產品增添咗好多安防相關嘅認證。透過 Access Communications 自家研發嘅芯片，將我哋嘅產品效能發揮最大嘅效果。唔單止提升咗產品嘅功能之外，仲喺技術同埋外觀設計上搖身一變成為 IoT Smart Device。咁究竟一個主動分析嘅方案係咪將所有嘅 devices 放埋一齊就叫做主動呢？喺 Access Communications 嚟講，我哋喺符合成本效益嘅情況底下，將整個方案嘅功能效能提升，從而作出主動分析，用最少嘅 devices， 用最少嘅耗電量，甚至乎 serverless 唔需要 server 嘅情況底下，做到前端嘅分析，咁咪仲好咯。過往我都收到一啲客戶同我溝通，佢就話，我需要裝一啲主動分析嘅方案啊，但係嗰啲方案唔能夠作出主動分析，而有好高昂嘅成本去做一啲人工智能，甚至乎數據收集量都唔足以達到足夠嘅證據分析。我哋仲見到一啲方案係兼容性太過局限，唔能夠擴展開去。唔知道你有冇遇到相關嘅問題呢？分析嘅方案唔係傳統一般嘅 camera 可以解決得到，係需要嗰個 network camera 配搭一啲分析軟件去做一啲智能分析。Access Communications 嘅 camera 唔單止不斷創新，仲要可以直接透過呢啲嘅分析軟件安裝喺個 camera 上邊，令到嗰個 camera 去作出主動嘅分析，嚟幫助客戶解決所有問題。Access 嘅 Network Camera 所使用嘅係自家研發嘅芯片，作業系統係一個開放嘅平台，就好似智能手機一樣，可以安裝唔同類型嘅 Apps。呢度所提到嘅 Access Camera Application Platform 就係 Access 嘅應用程式平台，用家可以根據佢哋嘅需求去安裝唔同類型嘅分析軟件，例如係車牌辨識、人流計算，甚至乎違例泊車偵測。既然有一個咁好嘅應用程式平台， Access Communications 自己亦都研發咗一啲智能分析嘅軟件， 適合唔同類型嘅行業、唔同客戶嘅需求而使用。大家喺畫面見到嘅呢一啲嘅應用程式，唔知道有冇一款你哋已經使用緊或者諗住想使用呢？喺呢度，我想介紹幾個唔同類型嘅分析軟件俾大家。首先，我會介紹 Access Perimeter Defender。呢一個嘅偵測軟件係有效咁樣分析闖入者進入樓宇嘅周界嘅時候，作出主動嘅分析，從而驅趕，達至到極低誤報、高準確度。我哋 Access Communications 呢一套嘅 Access Perimeter Defender 仲通過咗英國嘅 CPNI 認證，準確度係值得信賴嘅。Access Communications 喺2020年推出咗全球第一隻 Open Platform 嘅 Deep Learning Network Camera， 喺 Network Camera 上邊直接運行 Deep Learning， 並且提供俾各類軟件開發商開發 Deep Learning 嘅智能分析軟件，可以喺前端進行更加多嘅數據處理，並且令到前端處理帶嚟更加多嘅好處，例如係好少嘅 latency，可以支持到一個 real-time 嘅計算方法。另外，亦都可以提高數據嘅安全性，因為呢啲數據只係喺個 network camera 上面使用。我哋仲獲獎喺美國嘅保安業協會呢一個嘅行業攞到 SIA 大獎。所以跟住落嚟嘅短片會為大家簡介一下喺 Deep Learning 嘅 Network Camera 上邊運行一啲智能分析軟件有咩好處呢？請睇。透過我剛才所介紹嘅唔同類型嘅分析軟件，希望可以俾用家你哋知道，唔同類型嘅智能分析軟件可以裝喺 camera 上邊發揮最大功效，而管理人員只係直接聯繫住 camera 就可以攞到相關數據，中間真係 serverless。
Are you looking for an efficient way to improve safety, security, and operational efficiency? Edge Analytics enhanced with AI could be the solution. Teaching cameras to make decisions on their own and trigger instant actions not only decreases response times, it also creates many other benefits. It improves accuracy, since no information gets lost in compression or transmission. Just sending the relevant data saves bandwidth, and by screening out irrelevant data, it also helps with the protection of privacy. With Edge Analytics, you get a scalable, flexible system that can grow with your needs. But why choose Edge Analytics from Axis? Axis has a wide range of cameras carefully engineered to deliver optimal image quality for great analytics performance, even under challenging conditions. Our image processing technologies are all powered by the system on chip, the SoC. The SoC is the heart and brain of the camera, like the Axis-developed ArtPack SoCs. Their outstanding processing power creates new opportunities for advanced analytics. And the Open Axis Camera Application Platform lets our partners develop tailored analytics to solve a wide range of use cases. Enjoy the easiest access possible to valuable and actionable insights with Edge Analytics from Axis. Go to axis.com/analytics to find out more.
所以喺唔同類型嘅分析軟件裝喺 Network Camera 上邊，可以達至到4個效果。 total cost of ownership 上邊，讓到用家更有效知道成本效益。另外，我哋因為可以提供到最低嘅 latency，所以我哋可以更加低嘅 bandwidth，淨係傳輸數據。第三，更加容易去做 scalability 同埋 reliability， 因為我哋中間再冇其他嘅 server 限制。第四就係有更高嘅準確率，透過 deep learning 嘅 network camera 行返智能分析軟件，從而提升整個系統嘅效能。唔知道大家有冇留意到喺我哋嘅身邊都有好多唔同嘅智能分析軟件係讓到我哋 network camera 上面使用，提供唔同類型嘅方案。跟住落嚟，我哋會有請到 Headquarter 嘅 Mac Turing 去介紹一下智能分析嘅新世代。
Technologies are rapidly evolving. Development in AI and deep learning technologies is changing what can be achieved within the domain of analytics, creating new opportunities. By leveraging state-of-the-art analytics technologies, we help our customers turn video into actionable insights for security, safety, and operational efficiency. All in line with Axis' vision to create a smarter and safer world. My name is Mats Thulin, and I'm Director of Core Technologies at Axis R&D in Lund. Artificial intelligence has been around for decades, but only recently has there been the right level of processing power and development tools available to truly make use of its capabilities on edge devices. At Axis, we continuously evaluate trends and technologies to determine if and when it's time to utilize them in our products and solutions. We are in the middle of ramping up our analytics agenda, now that edge processing can power AI analytics. This, plus modern programming tools enabling efficient integration between different platforms and systems, opened the door to possibilities that required much more complicated solutions before. I think it's safe to say that we are entering a new era where video analytics will play an essential role to satisfy customer needs. At Axis, we have a long history bringing our innovations to the edge. When we talk about analytics, it's important to remember that the basis for high quality and robust analytics is good image quality. In Axis cameras, we pride ourselves with a long history of pushing the limits of image quality, with innovations like Light Finder and Forensic WDR. But as surveillance cameras are used in rough environmental conditions, the physical design of the camera also plays an important role in ensuring high image quality. Surveillance cameras need to cope not only with varying light, but with vibrations, challenging weather, etc. Features like electronic image stabilization, barrel distortion correction, etc. all help to provide an excellent image quality. Axis' great portfolio of edge devices has been carefully engineered to withstand such challenging conditions. We added our first analytics at the edge already in year 2000 as we introduced video motion detection, the world's first analytics at the edge. And over the next few years, we opened up so that our partners could develop analytics for Axis devices. This led to the creation of our Open Axis Camera Application Platform, ACAP. Enabling our partners to develop edge analytics for Axis devices plays an important role in addressing a wide range of customer use cases. Another strong base for edge analytics is our SoC development. The 7th generation of our ARTPIC processor, ARTPIC 7, was released in 2018, with major advances in image processing that support analytics. And one part of the chipset was dedicated specifically to analytics. This was followed in 2020 by our first cameras with hardware-accelerated deep learning in a companion chip to ARTPIC 7, plus the launch of our first deep learning-based edge analytics. And at the end of 2021, we launched our first cameras based on ARTPIC 8. Applications based on deep learning are typically very compute-intensive and have traditionally been confined to servers with access to a lot of power, cooling, and space. With the advances in technology, it's now possible to run these applications on edge devices. ArtPic 8 includes what we call a Deep Learning Processing Unit, or DLPU. It's a hardware block optimized specifically for deep learning by using state-of-the-art silicon technology to perform these operations in low-power edge devices. We see a DLPU as a key requisite for all our surveillance cameras moving forward. They all need to support deep learning, from our powerful Q-line cameras to our affordable M-line. Deep learning should not be isolated to a handful of devices or part of the portfolio. We have already launched a number of deep learning-based products, and moving forward, all new cameras will include DLPUs for hardware acceleration of deep learning analytics. With this breadth in the portfolio, we will enable the use of advanced analytics across all industry segments. If the analytics is targeting difficult use cases, for example in challenging life situations with varying scenes and scenarios, the development of the AI-based analytics is of course much more challenging. Then the development requires great effort working with data, training and testing the application, but also developing your own deep learning architectures and algorithms. This could be a huge undertaking. But in many cases, the application only needs to work in a controlled environment with specific narrow use cases, thus making the development much simpler. For these areas, the potential for innovation on this platform by our partners is endless. Of course, the camera platform has its limitations, which is important to acknowledge and take into account when trying to migrate the server or cloud application to the edge. The limitation mainly come from the limitation in power and thermal properties of edge devices. But we see that, for example, through quantization of weights and carefully selecting the models and resolutions, many of the applications that run on server cloud platforms today can be migrated to run on edge devices. Naturally, there are several advantages of running applications on the edge. The precision of an AI model depends highly on the image quality of the camera, which makes the ArtPic 8 cameras a perfect base to build advanced applications on, due to its excellent image quality. But if you run the application on a server, the applications are using compressed video. And in situations with limited bandwidth, the compression reduces the quality of the video, leading to worse AI performance. Running the application in the camera on the uncompressed video overcomes these limitations, which gives a clear advantage. Running the application on the camera could also be the solution to solve hard latency requirements, from detection of an event to generating an alarm such as triggering lights or other actions. This is also important if your server cloud connection is unstable or has unpredictable latency. Another benefit we see some partners highlighting is that intelligence on the edge could be used to reduce network bandwidth if you do not need the full 24/7 video for forensic purposes. In those cases, just sending video when the application triggers or simply only sending metadata is a way to dramatically reduce bandwidth in large systems with bandwidth limitations. Finally, the benefit we see as the strongest driver for moving applications and compute to the camera is to manage scalability of systems. If you base your system on a server solution, the server needs to spend a significant amount of compute just to decode the video stream, to be able to perform deep learning processing. And this server-side compute needs to grow with your system. Each new camera feed requires additional server-side compute, adding to both cost and maintenance of a large server installation. If instead your system is based on cloud compute, the cost will grow significantly with each new feed, specifically if you target 24/7, 30 frames per second. By building your system on applications running on the camera or a hybrid solution, your system will scale automatically with each new camera with a minimal additional cost for the system solution. So, what analytics are available for Axis devices? We have divided our offering into 3 types. Native analytics, provided with our cameras at no extra cost, developed for narrow, basic use cases for a broad-based market. What you typically need when you look for a security system. Our objective is to make the analytics as easy to deploy as ever possible. We strive to make the life as a system integrator easier. Axis licensed analytics are typically designed for well-defined targeted use cases, satisfying a quite wide customer need but not expected with every security camera. License plate recognition is an example. We offer these analytics as separate licenses or kitted with purpose-tuned devices or even purpose-built hardware. Finally, we have partner analytics addressing a wider range of applications that solve specific customer needs. This often means use cases where specialized knowledge is necessary to install the solution correctly. These can run entirely on the edge or pull data from the camera to run elsewhere, depending on the needs of the application. To support this, Axis offers our state-of-the-art AI application platform, the latest version of ACAP. Analytics use cases can also be divided into different application areas. When we explore our customers' needs and what types of insights they are looking for, we separate them into security and safety on one hand, and operational efficiency on the other. Security and safety have been our main focus for long, and we find this area essential also moving forward. We can continuously improve by making these use cases more efficient, and this is the focus for Axis native analytics. And we also offer a selection of licensed analytics within this area. Central for security and safety use cases, both live and forensic, is high-quality video. And just like the video, these analytics typically integrate with traditional video management software. And we see a growing interest for complementing these use cases with metadata, for example, to support smart video searches. And then we have operational efficiency, also called business intelligence. Axis offers a selection of licensed analytics for this area too, typically for narrow use cases, but still widely used. For example, our people counting analytics. These use cases typically require integration with dashboards that enable statistical analysis of large amounts of data, possibly from many different sources. Metadata is essential for these applications. The content can differ, but the same metadata that is used for smart video searches can in fact also be useful for statistical analysis and insights. Our partners are key for a wide range of customer use cases and for further leveraging the data from our edge analytics and devices. Partners are especially important for handling use cases that require specialized knowledge and training, and for growing and exploring the operational efficiency market. Axis supports this by providing the devices, metadata, open interfaces, and the new generation of our ACAP platform, which has been developed with these types of use cases particularly in mind. We are seeing a growing interest in hybrid solutions, where the edge processing is complemented with further processing in a server cloud environment. There are several reasons for doing this. In some solutions, the heavy lifting is done on the edge, for example, object detection and classification. The results from this first step of processing are then sent to a server for further refinement of classification and possibly adding properties to objects. In this case, the models for the second level of processing might be too large to be able to run on the edge. But also, we see a cross-camera processing, where metadata from several cameras are processed together to create a higher level of insight. A hybrid solution could in some cases be the best balance from a scalability and cost perspective, while still maintaining the benefits of running analytics over several streams. When developing and deploying these hybrid solutions, it is important to have cybersecurity aspects in mind. For example, if new connections between edge nodes and servers are open for metadata. In most of our cameras, we provide an ONVIF Profile M compliant metadata stream for easy integration to VMS search and statistic applications. In deep learning enabled cameras, this stream includes classification of objects, and we will be adding more classes and properties to this stream further on. In many cases, we also see that this metadata stream could be the base to build server cloud applications on, for example, to generate more specific statistics and dashboards. Also, if you develop your edge-based object detector, it will be possible to add the results from the detector to the metadata stream, creating an easy integration to VMS or other systems. To conclude, We now see that analytics will take us a step closer towards reaching our vision, a smarter and safer world. Together with our skilled partners, backed up by our wide portfolio of smart and powerful devices, the open ACAP platform, and flexible integration possibilities, we bring industry-leading analytics to the market, aligned with our customers' needs. We continue to push the evolution of analytics.
多謝我哋瑞典總部嘅同事 Mac Turing 剛才嘅講解。前面所提到嘅周界防範分析 Access Perimeter Defender 就係我哋自行研發嘅一種，亦都因為 Access Camera Application Platform 係一個開放嘅平台，所以第三方嘅智能分析軟件開發商都好樂意喺我哋嘅平台上邊開發應用程式，借助我哋產品嘅運算能力，省卻咗第三方智能分析軟件開發商唔少嘅開發時間。而目前有超過100種以上嘅智能分析軟件可以直接安裝喺 Access Communications 嘅 Smart Device 上面嚟解決客戶各種嘅問題。唔單止喺 security 方面 ，safety 甚至 operation efficiency 上邊都幫客戶解決咗好多問題。正因為我哋可以做好多唔同類型嘅智能方案，所以 Access Communications 喺唔同行業、唔同嘅市場都有一定嘅足跡，例如係智能城市啦、商場零售、醫療、教育、運輸道路、金融銀行、政府部門、data center 都有我哋嘅足跡。大家當路過呢一個地方嘅時候，不妨可以抬一抬頭望一望，可能你會發現原來都幾多 Access Communications 嘅產品喺我哋嘅頭頂建築物上邊，特別可以留下一啲大型嘅基建項目，例如主題樂園啦。我哋仲可以睇多樣，如果我哋喺唔同嘅場景嘅時候，究竟有咩智能分析方案可以做到呢？請睇以下短片。
What's your challenge? Is poor analytics performance giving you a headache? Maybe it's time to switch to analytics based on Axis Scene Intelligence technology. Axis Scene Intelligence is the ideal foundation for strong analytics. It ensures optimal data for improved scene understanding. How? By combining unparalleled Axis image processing technology with deep learning and advanced analytics on the edge. Axis Scene Intelligence delivers valuable, actionable insights in surveillance use cases all over the world, thanks to outstanding image processing. By using algorithms trained in real-life surveillance situations, it ensures high-quality metadata, even under challenging surveillance conditions like low light and bad weather. First-rate input means first-rate performance and facilitates fast, efficient search in recorded video. Metadata interfaces based on ONVIF specifications also make integration with compatible video management systems easier. Deep learning-based analytics facilitates granular object classification that distinguishes between different kinds of objects and attributes and enables real-time alerts.
Please put on your hard hat.
Edge Analytics processes and analyzes uncompressed video, which supports accuracy and reduces the need for central processing, thereby reducing the amount of servers and maintenance needed. Only streaming relevant metadata not only reduces bandwidth and storage, it can also help protection of privacy. Axis Scene Intelligence puts all our experience in image processing, deep learning, and edge processing to work for analytics you can rely on. Axis Scene Intelligence. Clear sight for clear insight. Visit axis.com/analytics to find out more.
透過我哋剛才嘅資訊，唔知道你仲會唔會有以下嘅煩惱呢？會唔會仲係覺得你哋嗰套系統可唔可以做到智能分析㗎？會唔會需要俾好多嘅成本先至可以做到智能分析？究竟所收集嘅數據足唔足以應付分析呢？同埋你哋套系統會唔會可以有兼容性大增？所以我哋相信透過 Access Communications 智能分析方案可以讓你知道呢啲都有解決嘅方法。 Seeing is believing 係我哋一路以嚟所秉持嘅宗旨。喺 Access 九龍灣 Office 有一個佔地約2000尺嘅 Access Experience Centre，大家可以親身上嚟體驗一下唔同類型嘅方案。我哋仲特意做咗12個唔同嘅場景，盡量滿足各位唔同嘅需要，以第一身嘅身份體驗一下同埋理解，你就會更加明白。同時照顧到 Work from Home 嘅客人，我哋亦都有 virtual 嘅版本俾你哋先做個初步了解。如果大家有興趣，歡迎大家喺一陣間嘅 survey 裏邊留低資料，我哋會有專人盡快聯絡大家。今日嘅分享暫時到呢度，我哋睇下大家有冇咩問題呢？我哋收到有客戶朋友嘅提問，問下點解智能分析軟件可以係用 serverless 直接喺 camera 上面運行呢？容許我喺呢度解答，因為 Access Communications 用我哋自家製研發嘅芯片，令到產品嘅效能提升，從而讓到第三方嘅智能分析軟件可以喺我哋鏡頭上面運行，作出前端主動分析。透過呢一個嘅動作，我哋減省咗耗電量，我哋減省咗 server 一個嘅管理，直接從 network camera 上邊交出所需嘅數據。另外，亦都有客戶朋友提問，點樣可以有效管理一定數目嘅 network camera 呢？我哋透過 Access Device Manager， 我哋可以容易管理每一支嘅 network camera 上面嘅 firmware、IP address、login password， 甚至乎佢嘅 uptime、downtime 都可以 check 到。時間都差唔多啦，知道有部分問題今日唔夠時間回答，我哋會喺稍後有同事同各位聯絡解答大家嘅問題。走之前，大家都可以掃一掃呢度嘅 QR code，follow 同埋 subscribe 我哋嘅 Facebook 專頁同埋 YouTube channel。大家有時間都可以登入下我哋嘅 Virtual AEC， 睇下唔同嘅智能方案。今日嘅時間就到呢度，再一次多謝大家嘅參與。頭30位完成問卷嘅朋友會獲得一個 Access 嘅背囊。下次再見，拜拜。